Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating quick blockers. Make sure airplane mode is off and do not disturb is disabled. Next, restart the iPhone, hold the side button, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then power on. While it reboots, check signal bars and try calling from a different phone to confirm the issue. If calls fail immediately, locate your carrier settings. Open Settings, General About, and watch for a carrier update prompt. Install it if present, then move to the next set of checks. Once done with the reboot and carrier updates, dig into network and account layers. You should reset network settings to clear corrupt configs. This removes Wi-Fi passwords, but often restores voice functionality. Next, power down and remove the SIM, inspect for damage, reseat it firmly, or try a different SIM to isolate hardware versus account problems. Make sure call forwarding or silence unknown callers isn't redirecting or blocking incoming calls. And for final steps, update iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update, and install any pending updates, since fixes often arrive via system patches. If updates don't help, back up your iPhone and perform a full restore via Finder or iTunes to eliminate software corruption. Meanwhile, contact your carrier to run line tests and confirm provisioning. Ask them to provision your number again. If problems persist after a factory restore, escalate to Apple support for hardware diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: always back up before a restore to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.